Hi, I'm Eunice, and I am a full stack AI engineer. I would describe myself as a product oriented engineer or a like business minded engineer. And the reason why I would say that is because I perform best when I'm given autonomy and ownership over products, and I can implement things end to end. AI solutions for like internal solutions or AI products that are customer facing and user facing. I think those are like my biggest strengths. And now I'm going to go through my projects. My first project is Saqar. Uh, Saqar means desert eagle. It's a desert eagle in Arabic. And the reason why I picked that is because I didn't want like a generic co-pilot, or I don't know what the other like generic terms are for like AI agents. And this project was aimed to help me at work, kind of like how a desert eagle is used in the desert to like navigate and stuff. So at my work, I was doing a lot of bug fixes, and I just came up with the idea like that I should make an AI agent that like helps me with my repetitive workflow, and if in like best case scenario I could like automate myself, right? I want to see like just like the what the limits are when it comes to AI automating engineering tasks. So there's like different phases of that. There's like, let's say a bug happens, a stakeholder would create a task, they would assign it to me, and then they would show like the example of what happened for this specific booking, right? And then I would go and I'd do SQL queries to see what's happening in the database records. I'd do Mongo queries to see the debug logs, and I would also use like web search and stuff like that. So I just wanted to like kind of like replicate myself with that. And for this demo, I actually only included two tools just to make it simple. You can actually test this out on saqar.unisbanketeer.com. It's a very simple agent that can do SQL queries, that can search the web, and you can see this demo right here and on my website. And yeah, so that's Saqar. Next up is Saut. Saut actually means voice in Arabic. The reason why I picked that is because it's a voice agent. And with this, originally, I wanted to come up with I wanted to make a voice agent that is as cheap as possible. So I'm running a local model for transcriptions. I think I'm using Faster Whisper on a VPS that I'm paying for, and I was using the Gemini free tier to like get free AI agent usage, and I was also using the Azure TTS library, which was free. So all in all, it was like basically free to run, other than the VPS. But now because I have this on demo for anybody to use, you can just go to south.unisbanketeer.com, and as you can see, it's working. But to put it on demo, I didn't want the free tiers to like run out and people wouldn't want to visit it and then see that it's like not able to like respond. So I kind of replaced the free tier Gemini with OpenAI API. I replaced the Azure TTS library because they no longer were free. Like I think Microsoft patched it or something like that. So I'm using the Google TTS free tier now. But the goal of this was to really make a voice agent that was low, not low, like where inference time didn't really matter, right? Because like for example, like if you had a Google Home Mini, you wouldn't really care for it to like respond to you right away. You can wait a couple seconds. So that's what this is like the best for. Like for really customer facing products, it would be better to have like a real time agent. And next up is Gathera. Gathera is a fully featured social networking platform that I actually made with my friend. We co-founded this in 2023, and there's algorithms that run to determine which users are trending, which places are trending. The whole goal behind this was to bring socializing out from online back into like the real world. And let's say you liked a place and you wanted to go there, but like your friends weren't available, you can make a gathering or you can join somebody else's gathering. And that was kind of like the idea behind this, but it's fully featured. You can add people, you can follow, unfollow, you can like places, message them, block them, all that stuff. And more on my career, I'm a senior full stack engineer right now at FlightHub. I work directly with the CEO to solve problems across the tech stack, across the company. So I'm basically like if there's a problem, a technical problem in the company, the CEO usually just comes to me, assigns me a task, and then I come up with a solution, I implement it, and I'm given like full autonomy. And I think I perform the best under this kind of scenario. And that's it for me. And I'm excited to meet you guys and connect. And if anything, just shoot me a message. Thank you.